How are you making your money back when you invest in the business? How are you structuring it where, percentage of cash flow is moved to a different bank? How's that look?
Well, again, it depends. Everyone is different. Some of them are specifically for that. So let's say you buy a business at $1 million and it's make it easy, $300,000 distributable cash. Now, is that money more valuable in that business? Did you see something there that there's a reason why you can turn that 300 into 600 next year? And that's why you bought it. You move that money in there. Or you could have bought it for, this is a good cash cow. I'm going to take that 300, move it over to this business where I can get a better return. So it's really money management. It's where is that cash most valuable? Where can you use it to
We're going
get
to
the
get a
highest?
better return on it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.